Hi, good afternoon everyone mga kasyala. There's a lot of questions na naka-comment nakapin sa atin. Ang sabi is in a manufacturing organization na employees daw madalas na reason ng mga problema. So well said, I would like to share based on my experience. Sabi nga, sir, paano naman ang problema yung mga tao o empleyado? May pag-asa pa po bang organization namin? Do you believe that 95% of failure is the system within the organization and only 5% is caused by the employees? Why? According to W. Edwards Deming, who is a renowned quality consultant in 1900s, if we do not fix the system, then we expect the same problem to occur repeatedly or paulit-ulit lang. Example, kung ang empleyado natin ay dishonest, yet we don't have a system to detect dishonesty and no system to reprimand dishonesty, then tuloy lang ang problema. So, ano ang gagawin ng sistema? As a leaders of the organizations, it is our responsibility to develop effective methods and systems to deter and detect dishonesty. We need to develop a system that encourages employees to commit dishonesty. Anumang problema na may kinalaman sa empleyado tulad ng dishonesty, non-performance, non-compliance, attitude problems, all of this we need to build effective systems to shield our organization from these nightmares. Remember the 95 rule. The 95% of the problem is due to the system and only 5% is due to the employees. We need strong leaders to build that. Thank you and good afternoon everyone. Hope you enjoy and hope may natutunan kayo. Maraming salamat po. Bye-bye.